Health into wealth, tap into the $4.2 billion smoothie market with our premium smoothie PLR package. Creating quality content takes time, but now you don't have to. Our 30 healthy smoothie recipes PLR bundle gives you everything you need to start selling immediately. Save over 100 hours of research and writing. Launch faster with ready-to-publish content. Focus on growing your business, not building content from scratch, as this isn't just a recipe book, it's a flexible digital asset designed to multiply your income. Rebrand and sell it as your own. Use it as a lead magnet to grow your email list, add value to membership sites, break it into blog posts, emails, or social media content. Every recipe is crafted by nutrition experts to help you build instant authority in the health and wellness niche. Professional, scientifically backed content. Tap into a trending, evergreen market. Gain trust and boost conversions with expert quality material. Unlike generic PLR, ours stands out with expert writing, clean, professional design, easy customization, PSD plus Canva, a niche that's always in demand. And yes, there's more. When you grab the package today, you'll also receive 2 powerful bonuses. Bonus 1, the power of juices. Bonus 2, private label master course. Learn how to sell PLR like a pro. Here's what you'll get today. 30 healthy smoothie recipes, editable cover designs, PSD and Canva, PLR license certificate, sales copy templates, social media graphics, 5 promotional videos, 2 incredible bonuses. Don't wait. For the next 48 hours, grab everything at 50% off. This is the lowest price this package will ever be offered. Click below to get started and turn your passion for health into real profit.